Hi, I'm Li Hong. Today I'm extending my regular expression examples to the routing protocol BGP world. So let's move on to the demonstration. Before we talk about using regular expression in BGP, we first review what can we find, what can we see in BGP protocol. The key command is only one command, that is show IP BGP. This command will dump the full table. So in this example, we have only 11 entries, routing entries in this BGP table. And what can be filtered? The field for each route, there's a attribute called AS-Path. Basically, it is a number, a list of numbers, but to compare, to search, to filter with regular expression, we must convert the numbers into digits, into text first. For example, this is a string of, in this the first routing entry, 3 space 1 0 1 space 1, and that's the end of the string and no more. And this highlighted string is called the AS-Path, and it is the target we are using regular expression to compare against. So this is number 1. What about number 3? Number 3, we have a AS-Path start from 3 space 202 space 201 space and then 2. And 2 is the last number and also the last digit in the string. So, for example, we want to filter out anything at the right-hand side. Oh, I forgot to mention, for each of the AS-Path, the left-hand side is the beginning and the right-hand side is the end or the origin of this routing entry. So one of a daily BGP task, observation task, is to find which routing entry is from which originated from which AS number. In that case, we just check the ending number. So for example, I want to list to select some routes from these 11 in this example, anything ending with digit 1, number 1. That means anything originated from AS number 1. What are they? How can we use regular expression to filter them out? The command again is show IP BGP. And then we use a keyword, regular expression, regexp. And then remember, I want to filter out number 1. So basically, it should be 1 and end of line. So let's see the result. In this example, the result is not ideal. Why? My original intention is to filter out this one, space 1, and also the second one, the first one and the second one, because their AS-Path indeed are ended with number 1. What about the number 3? Oh, the ending number actually is 301, this number, but it happens the last digit is also 1. It is also 1. And then end. So in this case, we must refine our regular expression. For example, we must add a space. So this space and 1. And end of line, space, and 1, and end of line. But this one, it is 301. So it's different. So what about the space character in here, the show IP BGP AS-Path filtering? Unfortunately, it is not dot. It is the underscore itself. So actually, when Cisco was developing the software for BGP, it has been a long time ago, and somehow they created different notation for regular expressions. So in BGP here, the space character is denoted by underscore. That's different from show command and filter. No, they are not the same. Unfortunately, we have to memorize the difference here. Okay, so let me complete the result. If I change the regular expression to this one, then the filtering result is correct. Now you see only 3, and of course they are ending with space 1 instead of digit 1 and end of line. So this is called find list all the prefixes, all the BGP routes originating from AS number 1. This example. And what about the next one? The next one I want to show is about the begin with. So again, show IP BGP without filter, 11 routes, and then show IP BGP regular expression. And now begin. So to begin, you must know it's again head, right? And in this example, after some quick observation, we see 9 of them are begin with digit 3 and space. So the remaining 2, they only have the letter I. I forgot to mention that the letter I here is simply a flag. It is not part of any part of the AS-Path. So the last 2 routing entry, the AS-Path is simply empty. No AS-Path at all. So if I filter it this way, 3, and I think you now know why we should add an underscore to. So this means the AS number begin with number 3. And let's see the result. Basically, it should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So the trailing 2 entries are not included in this filter. So what about remember the last 2, the AS-Path is totally empty, 0, nothing. So how to filter them out? Again, show IP BGP. If a condition is right at the beginning and then ended immediately, that means yes, empty AS-Path. Let me correct it a little bit. Regular expression and head $sign. Okay. In this example, you only print out the last two entries. Okay, so one more example. I just told you show IP BGP. It will print everything, all 11 routing entries. But do we have other command to do the same using the regular expression? Actually, we have regular expression. I guess you already know. That is dot star. And in this case, everything will be printed out. Again, 11 routing entries. So that's all for today's video. If you like this one, remember to look to your left-hand side. Click open these interesting videos. Click open. Remember,